Changing your login password on OKCoin is a straightforward process that can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the OKCoin website or app and enter your current login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your account management options. Step 3. Select password change option. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled change password or security settings. Click on this option to proceed with changing your password. Step 4. Enter current and new password. Before changing your settings, use the OKCoin link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your login password on OKCoin and help keep your account secure.